Hello and welcome back to Debasree Art, and today we are going to learn to paint this colorful impasto abstract landscape. This painting is a blend of cool and warm colors, and you will learn how we can mix both of them using the right techniques to create a beautiful colorful landscape. For creating the thick impasto textures, I will use knife and acrylic medium along with my acrylic paints. I am using a 6 by 8 inches canvas board and a paper palette. I'll start with Prussian blue and aqua blue, also taking out some of my acrylic medium that is used to thicken the paints for good impasto textures. Mix the paints nicely with the medium with a knife and then start painting. Now I will start by applying this thick paint on my canvas stroke by stroke. The reason I am using this knife is because of the two sides, one long side and one short. Right now I am using the long side to lay more paint on the canvas, and later I will switch to the short side on and off to create the short strokes. Now I am mixing the aqua blue with the acrylic medium, and I'll lay thick strokes next to the Prussian blue and let it blend. This time I am also using the short side of the knife to blend in the colors, so use small strokes and gently lay the light blue next to the dark blue and keep blending. Look at the strokes and look at how glossy each of the strokes look, and that's because of the acrylic medium that I mixed my paints with. Now I'll start adding the warm colors. I could have mixed yellow and red to create the secondary color orange, but it's just faster to have some orange, so I did take out some. Now mix the colors with the medium and lay just the same way like we did for the cool blues. We will start with red and then add some orange and finally blend in with the yellow. I will use the long side and the short side of the knife alternately depending on the space I am adding to. Just be a little careful when you're adding the red next to the blues not to mix them a lot. But yeah, if a little bit gets mixed up, it's totally okay because later we're gonna add purples to cover up this joining. Now that all the blues and the reds are added separately, now I will start adding the secondary color green in between to join the two sides smoothly. So I'm mixing yellow and aqua blue to create a pretty green and add with the short side of the knife between the blue and the red. Remember to add very gently so that the top colors doesn't mix up with the bottom layer, because here we are doing a wet on wet impasto technique. Now just like how we added the secondary color green, now I'm going to add the secondary color purple in between the red and the blue exactly the same way. Just mix the paint with little bit of medium and add it with the short side of the knife in between, and it's just keep add stroke by stroke in some places here and there at the joining so that they looks like the colors are blending together. All the edges are pretty much done, and so now I will paint the center. It looks pretty flat, so I'll start by adding a mix of cadmium yellow and lemon yellow and blending in both at the very center of this landscape to give a highlight coming from the center of the canvas. Here I will mostly use the short side of the knife and lay in short strokes by strokes and blend in both the yellows with the background. Now I have taken out some black and I will add the tree trunk using a brush. I initially thought of doing it with knife, but it just felt too risky. So I went ahead with the brush. I'm painting on a wet background, but it just feels so good pushing through the wet background and painting with this black paint. Here I'm just creating a simple tree trunk and spreading the branches out in all directions. Now after the whole first layer dries, I'm adding a mix of lemon yellow and white along with the medium and adding small textures on top of the branch. As you can see, I am using a different knife here because I wanted to use the tip of this knife to do the final textures. Also, I am trying to use the absolute tip of the knife to create these small textures. Now I'm adding a mix of purple and white and the medium in the exact same way that I did with the yellows. And finally a layer of white to add some highlights and brightness to this colorful landscape. After adding all the whites, I'm dabbing the knife on the canvas to give the final textured look of this painting. And now adding some colors with my finger on the side of the canvas panel, and our painting is done. If you enjoy watching this kind of videos, make sure to hit that like button. You can comment below and let me know how you liked today's video. And lastly, if you want to see more videos like this, then you should hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on because I post multiple videos every week. And thank you for watching.